Hi, how are you? Today we're cooking shrimp. 4 pounds. 4 pound shrimp. Boiling water. Shrimp ready to go in the boiling water. Oh yeah. So first what we're gonna do. Himalayan salt. Himalayan. We don't grab too much salt. Oh, Himalayan. Oh wow. Himalayan salt. See, very nice salt. Pink salt. And then next thing we do, shrimps. Oh, drop of four. Oh, snapping turtles and leaping lizards. Now, what we do next? We season it. Look, we got bay leaves. You know, leaves straight from my backyard. I found these over there. I found a few bay leaves. Put it in this bag. Now, Old Bay season. Oh yes. Nice. We season. Old Bay chicken. And then we got lemon pepper. See, oh wow. We keep doing it. Oh snap, we did a lot of seasoning. Now, black pepper. Oh man. Pepper. Now we have veggie cubes. Maggi veggie cubes. Yep. One more veggie cube. Now we're gonna do a little bit more Old Bay.
Wow.
A little bit more because this is I got for a good price. And Nam Daimun Farmers Market. Oh, I got these shrimps. 4 pounds. Only 4 pounds. It's actually a lot, I think. So we're cooking for you too. Oh, you. Thank you so much. So let's cook. So what we gotta cook now? See, it's 4:40. 4:40. So we have to cook this. Once it starts boiling, like 3-4 minutes. And it's done. Once it starts boiling. It needs to boil. And we have the spoons. Oh man. Spoons. We're gonna twist. See? Oh man. Oh yes, so satisfying. Doing this. See shrimp. Oh man. Beautiful. Cooking it up. Thank you for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. We cook. We like cooking. A lot. Boiling water. 4 minutes once it starts boiling. You can do even 3. You know, but Don't take my advice too much. Only sometimes. You see? We're not from the Food Administration.
What?
What is that?
Look at them shrimps in there.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
See, the water is not boiling yet. It's starting to. Now it's starting to boil. So from now, once you see bubbles, look.
Look at them
This
bubbles.
is the bubble effect, we call it. When it starts boiling, you will see bubbles in the water. And after that, 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 4 minutes. And I'm gonna stir it once it starts really boiling. Because I don't want to disturb the boil. Check out our pimple popping videos. Just kidding. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. I'm sorry for being silly.
Mm, 9:32.
Thank you for watching. So that's it. We're going to do 3 more minutes and it's finished. 3 more minutes and it's finished. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. God bless. Thank you very much. Thank you. Peace. Be safe. Be safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.